Welcome to part 11 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Follow. Follow. We follow the teacher to the playground. Call. Call. I will call my friend after school. Feel. Feel. I feel happy when we play games together. Agree. Agree. We all agree to share the toys. Support. Support. Good friends support each other when they need help. Hit. Hit. He hit the ball with the bat and scored a point. Produce. Produce. Cows produce milk for us to drink. Eat. Eat. I like to eat apples for a snack. Cover. Cover. Please cover the book to keep it safe. Develop. Develop. Plants need water to grow and develop. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.